Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku Charts.com daily analysis for the S&P 500 for Wednesday, August 15th, 2012. Well, another small-bodied candle today, and we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 small-bodied candles in a row. It does raise some doubt about continuation of the trend to the upside, but we also have doubt about the ability of the trend to trade to the downside. Very indecisive trading. All this small body candle means that neither the bulls nor the bears are making any bullish nor bearish net progress. They're making very small amounts of net progress on the days between the open and the close. And we have the shadows on the tops and the bottoms, and it represents the buyers losing commitment and the sellers losing commitment. So a lot of indecisive trading at the moment. Quite unusual. It's unusual to see this amount of small bodied candles. The fact that this is appearing at the top of an uptrend does raise much doubt about continuation of the trend to the upside, as I've said. But if we look here at the 1400 round number, that area is acting as support, and the market attempted to trade roughly down to that area, down to about 1402 today, and we've seen rejection from there again. So that's for the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days as well that we've had rejection from 1400, and 1400 is crucial to this market moving forward. We also have this minor resistance now up around the 1410 level, and then resistance from 1415 up to 1422, but certainly 1400 is very, very important. Now looking at the Fibonacci extension, and we're examining the relationship of the first time frame uptrend to the prior time the market was trending up, and here we are now still trading in an indecisive manner around the 78.6% level, which is a minor level. But it does suggest that there is a possibility for a downtrend to occur. That's a candle with a lower high and a lower low. But also what we need to watch is the 100% level up around 1417, and that coincides roughly with an important area of resistance that I've just highlighted. Also roughly here with this swing high, which is that resistance. And looking at the Fibonacci retracement of the previous downtrend, which is now in an expansion phase, we've traded past the 100% level, and we've got all of this indecisive trading as the trend continues to the upside, with the 161.8% level at 1414, which, as I've mentioned, coincides with that resistance level. So we have very strong support at 1400, but because of the confluence of the swing high here and the Fibonacci ratios around this 1414 to 1417 level, we have very strong resistance overhead, and if the market does trade up, let's watch for any price rejection from that area, and for the sellers to attempt to take control of the market if we do trade up to around that area. It certainly will mean that there will be a strong possibility of a change of trend to the downside. In terms of Ichimoku, we have a market that's bullish in all three timeframes. Nothing much has changed in that regard. The market's trading above the cloud, which means we're bullish in the long-term timeframe, trading above the Kijun-sen, the pink line, so we're bullish in the medium term, and bullish in the short term by trading above the Tenkan-sen. If we look at the Tenkan-sen, it's pointing up sharply, so it is reflecting some of this upside momentum that we've seen with the highs and the lows here, and it does suggest that this trend may continue to the upside. Interestingly, that with this Tenkan-sen being on such a sharp angle, if the market does retrace, that's usually the area where we find first support. So if the market does break out below the 1400 level, look to the area around 1387 as an area of support for this market. Just looking across at the Chica span, that's above the corresponding price action, so it's confirming this bullishness that we're seeing in the market in all three time frames, and it does suggest that if we do see a downtrend in place, that the market will find support down around one of these levels, and then the second time frame uptrend with the higher peaks and higher troughs will come to the fore and will continue back on its way. Looking at the Kijun-sen here, that is now pointing flat, and that does suggest that there is potential for the market to trend down. Here previously we saw a flat Kijun-sen and the market attempting to retrace back towards there and once again. So let's watch around the 1400 level for tomorrow's trading. But obviously 1400 is very important to this market. It's crucial if there is going to be any retracement. But certainly up above here from about 1414 up to 1417 we have very strong resistance as well.